What's up guys, it's Jonathan with One Big Impact. So today I'm going to show you a quick video that helps you get this little microphone. If you look here in the bottom, very tip of the bottom left hand part of the screen, that little microphone, you click it and you start talking and it just starts typing. This is for the Galaxy S24. So you're going to go to settings. You're going to scroll all the way down to the middle of the screen where it says General Management, Language, and Keyboard. Then you're going to go to Keyboard List and Default. And then right where it says Keyboard Button Navigation Bar, where it says Turn on to use voice input. Now if I toggle that off and I go look, there's gonna be no microphone. Now if I go back and I toggle it on, there is a microphone. That is literally the only thing that works. I hope you guys get a benefit out of this video. If you did, like and tell me it worked, and please subscribe. Thanks guys. Share the video.